Come and me teach you Patwa now.
Hello everyone and welcome to Shan's Patwa Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan and I'm from Jamaica. In today's lesson, we'll talk about the days of the week. Before we begin, the spellings used in this video reflect the Cassidy JLU writing system. This is the only structured spelling and writing system for the Jamaican Patois that is currently available. It's not standardized, so other spellings are accepted. There's an entire video about this system on this channel. You can check that out if you're interested. But just in case some of the words look unfamiliar or strange, this is the reason why. Anyways, let's dive right in. Sunday, Sunday. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Saturday, Saturday. Now let's practice using the vocabulary. Today we get pay. Today a Thursday. A Thursday the man did say don't. That him did say yes. Me go check my account. Now let's analyze this dialogue and do some translations. So the first word we see is a, and this means is or are. This is basically a conjugated form of the to be verb, but in this case it means is. Today, this means today. We means we. A means are. It's the same word as the first a, but like I said, the to be verb, this is the to be verb equivalent in the Jamaican Patois. It doesn't translate. A can mean is or are depending on the context and the speakers. Get means get or getting. The Jamaican verbs in Jamaican Patois don't really conjugate. The meanings change within the context. So the nouns change, but not the verbs. And pay attention to this one. Remember I said I'm using the Cassidy JLU system. So your brain is probably telling you that this is pi, but please isolate each letter and try to pronounce it in its most primitive form. So this is pia, pia. And it sounds like pay in English, and that's what it means. Pay or paid. Pia. So this sentence or this question translated to the closest English or the most natural English would mean, are we getting paid today? Today we are get paid? And her friend responds, today a Thursday? A Thursday the man did say don't. Now the first line, the first question, today a Thursday? The first line, today a Thursday, means today is Thursday. But when we add that question mark, it becomes a question. So of course we have to rearrange the words in English. So today a Thursday means is today Thursday. Notice in Patwa you don't need to rearrange the words. In order to get a question, you just raise the intonation of the last word to indicate that it's a question. Unlike English, when you change the word order, in Jamaican Patois, you don't need to do that. Today a Thursday, today is Thursday, versus today a Thursday, is today Thursday. So in order to ask a question, you just change your intonation. You don't need to rearrange the words. Next words, the man, and this means the man. De means the. It's say. Say can either mean says or say. When we add the did in front of it, it becomes past tense. This is how you get past tense in Jamaican Patois. You add did or some other variant in front of the verb. So the verb itself doesn't change, but there's an addition to it, and that changes the whole context and meaning. So in this case, did say becomes past tense, and this means said. And don't right here means right. It's like a question ending particle seeking agreement. So this right here means right. It doesn't mean don't as in the English, how we would say don't in English. This is not what it means right here. It's basically a question ending word that means that's seeking some form of agreement. So in this case, it's like you're saying right. These questions or this conversation bubble translated to the most natural English would be, Is today Thursday? The man said Thursday, right? And the Patwa equivalent is today a Thursday? A Thursday the man did say don't. Today a Thursday? A Thursday the man did say don't. And her friend responds, and that him did say yes. Let me go check my account. Now, that here means is that or that is. And like I said before, a usually means is or are. And based on the context, you'll change whatever it means. In this case, it means is. So this would be is that, and that is more natural in English. So him here can mean him or he, or even she or her. So him, this one word, encompasses both subject and object pronouns in the third person singular. So I'm going to do a video on nouns soon because it is quite interesting. But this is largely based on context. It can mean all four of those words: him, he, her, she. But in this case, it's either him or he based on the previous dialogue that said the man. So we know they're talking about a man. And based on the context of this sentence, it's either going to be him or he. And in this case, he. Did say, once again, say can mean say or says, and when we add did in front of it, it becomes past tense. So did say is said. And here means yes, not in answering a question, but in being in agreement with what somebody had said. And earlier we came across don't, the sentence ending word that is seeking some form of agreement. So the yes right here is the agreement. Me ago, this means I am going to. And ago is how we use future. This is the future tense here. Me ago followed by the verb. In this case, the verb is check. So me ago, check, means I'm going to do something. Future speaking. Check my account. This means check my account. So me I go check my account. I am going to check my account. So this translated to the most natural English is that is what he said. I am going to check my account. And the Patwa, at that him did say yes. Let me go check my account. At that him did say yes. Make me go check my account. So the dialogue once more is today we a get pay. Today a Thursday. A Thursday the man did say don't. At that him did say yes. Me go check my account. Now let's recap. So the days of the week in Jamaican Patois are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Saturday. Now here's your assignment. What day is it today? On what day are you watching this video? Please write your comments in Jamaican Patois in the comment section below. That takes us to the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself. Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. I try to upload every other day and sometimes even every day. So please hit that notification bell because that would be very helpful. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself. Zine.